My name is Dr. Zubeda Saifee. I have come from Udaipur and I know very well Dr. Saurabh Goyal. He is very nice doctor. I was suffering from this knee pain, right side. I can't move and I can't walk very easily. Saurabh Goyal advised me to come in Epic Hospital. And I have so much confidence that I can walk without walker even on third day. Okay, thank you very much. I should advise, don't delay this type of the pain and trouble. Do immediately and come to your good life and walk and healthy life. Thank you very much.